Welcome to our comparison of the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the SUVCON dashcam. Today, we will dive into the specifications and features of these two popular dashcams, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're looking for superior image quality or a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers a stunning 2K resolution at 60 frames per second for the front camera, providing exceptional clarity, especially in low-light conditions. In contrast, the SUVCON dashcam records at 1080p across all three channels. While the SUVCON provides decent quality, it cannot match the VIOFO's superior night vision and detail retention. This difference is crucial for those who prioritize high-quality footage. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo stands out with its advanced features, including built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing for easy video access and location tracking. The SUVCON dashcam, while offering 3-channel recording, lacks these advanced features, making it less versatile for tech-savvy users. If you value connectivity and enhanced functionality, the VIOFO is the clear winner. When it comes to pricing, the SUVCON dashcam is significantly more affordable at $79, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and higher resolution. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you are willing to invest more for superior quality and features. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the SUVCON dashcam have their merits. If you prioritize high image quality and advanced features, the VIOFO is the better choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with 3-channel recording, the SUVCON is a solid alternative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.